In this video, we'll take a look at stadium shops and walk through what they are, how they're used, and how to set them up. Stadium shops are a great way to bring your company's brand to life globally. Think of them as your own sleek, customizable online storefront, perfect for branded swag, curated gifts, and anything else you like to put in the hands of your employees, clients, or community. One of the best parts is that you can create as many shops as you need. Some of our most popular use cases are creating a centralized company merch shop, a shop to recognize employee milestones, conferences and events, client appreciation, and holiday and seasonal gifting. To create a shop, head to the left navigation bar and click on the shop icon. On this page, you can view your created shops or shops that are shared to you. To create a new one, you can either select from our pre-curated templates here, or if you like to build your own, click here. Once you selected your template, you can name your shop and select your shop type, whether it's going to be points, currency, or priceless. Let's take a quick look at the difference amongst the types. With currency and point shops, you have several flexible gifting options. You can send them credits or points so that they can choose their own gifts, or send a specific item to them, or lastly, just make the shop available for general purchasing. With priceless shops, you're able to send gifts without showing the cost of any item. Recipients can simply select one or multiple items from your curated shops and it's on its way. We'll walk through exactly how to send gifts from each shop type in the next video. Once you selected your shop type, you'll add your logos by searching your company URL, uploading from your device, or select a previously uploaded. We highly recommend using an SVG formatted logo so we can generate the best looking assets. Now here comes the fun part. Customize your shops further by adding your own banner or creating one here, selecting the categories you'd like to include in your shop. Once done with all your customizations, click on Save and Publish, and now your shop is live. And then you'll be taken to the shop's dashboard. Your shop's dashboard is a centralized hub for managing everything shop related, so let's take a look at each of the tabs. Under the Branded Swag tab in Save Designs, you can view all your available on-demand designs that you and your team have created. From here, you can add individual items by clicking on the product and enabling all or certain color variants. If you want to bring a full collection in, simply click on Add All to Catalog. If you need new designs to be created, click on Start Designing to get started. Within Locker Inventory, you can view the items you have stored with us at Stadium and add them to the shop or purchase more if needed. In Archive, you can restore a collection and add it to the shop by clicking here. Under the Shop's Catalog tab, you can further curate the products in your shop by editing your featured picks or adjusting the main catalog. To adjust the main catalog, click on Edit Catalog. The country you're viewing will default to your current location. For priceless shops, there will be an additional step here. You will need to set the price range for the items recipients are able to choose from. You can start customizing the catalog by selecting or deselecting items individually. You can also use Select All or Deselect All to include or remove entire categories or subcategories quickly. If you want to review the final list of what items you've chosen, simply click on View Selected Products. If you need to view or curate products in other countries, you can view them by selecting the country via the drop-down menu here. Once you've selected your products, click Save Changes. Then head over to the Edit Feature Products to select and arrange what items you would like to appear in the main menu. You can select Stadium Picks, Popular Items, Seasonal Items, Pick My Own, or remove the section completely with Remove Feature Sections. With Pick My Own, select the products you'd like to display and choose the order by clicking and dragging them. We do section it by fives, so the sixth item will appear in the next line. If you like to create a unique section for each of your relevant countries, you can do so by selecting the country menu here. At any point, if you want to review the shop, you can click on View in Shop or head back to the dashboard to click on View Shop. In the Send Gifts tab, you're able to view all gift orders placed from your shop, see which orders are incomplete or live, and view order details for more insight. We will go through this section more in depth in another video. On the Layouts tab, you can make changes to the logos that appears on your top left-hand corner by clicking on Add Logos. You can choose from your URL, upload it from device, or use a previously uploaded one. You can also opt out by clicking on I don't want to use a logo. To make changes to the banner, click here and select from Customize your banner, Upload from local device. We do recommend using a banner size of 2880 to 910 pixels. Use a Stadium banner or use any of your previously uploaded. With Customize Your Banner, you can add your logos to the center, add text, change the colors, and finally resize if needed. Once you complete all your changes, click on Save Changes and review the shop. Next, let's take a look at the shop settings. In the shop setting, you can update your shop name and adjust the shop type. Just keep in mind that the shop type can only be changed if no orders have been created yet. If the currency is already locked, but you want to use the same shop in a different shop type, you can simply clone the shop by using the duplicate shop and adjust the currency in the clone version. You'll also see an option called points conversion. Turning this on will allow recipients to convert their shop credits into stadium points. That way, if they have any leftover credits, they can move it over and use it in one of your other shops. This is especially helpful if you're running multiple stores. In swag settings, you can enable or disable bulk pricing tiers. When bulk pricing is turned on, the shop will display the lowest possible pricing an item can reach with volume discount. This is especially helpful if you're creating a shop for events or situations where you're expecting larger orders. If you like your shop to be searchable through the search engines, you can enable it in the SEO section. In the integration section, you can view Stadium's integrations. We'll walk through these in more details in a separate video. In links and privacy, you can easily view and copy your shop link or download the QR code. You can also control who has access to the shop here. If you set your shop to private, you can enter specific emails or domains that are allowed to view the shop. This is helpful when you only want employees, clients, or a defined group of people to access it. In customization, you'll see additional customization options such as custom domains, custom points conversions, and an ability to remove Stadium branding. Lastly, under Share Shop users, you can view who can collaborate on the shop, and if you need to add more users, click here. Let's take a look at Reports tab. Here you'll find a full summary of your shop's activities, including total points sent, the points that have been accepted, and any thank you messages. You can also see which items are most popular, which categories and subcategories are performing best, and where redemptions are coming from by country. If you need a more detailed view of what has been purchased, you can drill down to see exactly what items were purchased by each individual. Now that your shop is set up just how you want it, you can preview it by using View Shop and copy the URL with Copy Shop Link or share it externally through Shared and Embed. These are the methods you use for general purchasing access.